I've got a tasty pineapple chicken salad recipe for you. If you like this combo, jot down this recipe and try it at home. You'll find exact ingredient amounts as always in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to stay updated with my latest recipes. We need 2 chicken fillets, pan-fried with your favorite spices. I use gyros seasoning, a jar of pickled celery, 4 gherkins, and 3 spoons. Of course, salt and pepper. Add about 2 spoons of mayo, 1 spoon of sour cream or plain yogurt, and just mix it all together. Our delicious salad is ready. It looks great and tastes